Alright, we're recording. Bitch. Hey.
Smoke break.
Smoke break.
I just gotta let Cody get ahead of me because he's faster than me.
He's fast.
No, why do you keep going there?
You're the one that keeps saying it. When Cody nails, he likes to lick his lips. Funny. Did you just do that to me? Like a fucking horse?
No, I wouldn't have to do that to a horse. Same program. That's awesome.
He's a fucking dick, right? I know. I was thinking the same thing. Job.
All my thoughts to myself.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the audience.
Talking to the camera.
The audience.
Well, they don't care either.
They do.
Nobody watches this show anymore.
I'm watching the show.
Not after the first hour. Get in there, bitch.
My hands are freezing. I'm not easy.
Give me a shingle.
I can't believe you just called me easy. Longer. Kind of see Cody's butt crack. Let's zoom in on this. Huh?
You nailed it a little too high. That's alright, just angle it down.
Face nailed it a little too high. I love fish because it's so delicious. So delicious. I can eat them every day. And my mom says that's okay. I love fish because it's so delicious.
Right there will be fine.
Fine.
Make sure you go straight. As straight as you can. I'll watch and see if I can guide you. It does tend to get away from me.
I can eat them every day. And my mom says that's okay. Yeah. I mean, no.
Too late.
I'm a fucking ninja. Watch out.
A ninja camera person.
Okay, you guys aren't even talking.
Down some more. The end
I'm
towards
done.
me down a little bit, and you're.
And 3, 2, 1, go.